Godzilla trailer debuts, Bryan Cranston, Juliette Binoche defend a terrified city. They're hoping it'll smash the box offices. The trailer for the reboot of Godzilla debuted on Tuesday. The new version of the classic monster movie is heavy on the shadows, smoke and military instructions, and light on photos of the actual monster. The theatrical trailer will premiere alongside The Hobbit: The Desolation of Smaug this week. The reboot, directed by Gareth Edwards, stars Juliette Binoche, Bryan Cranston and Ken Watanabe and hits theaters in May. The last version of Godzilla, released in 1998, was widely panned by critics. Producers are hoping that this one will crush that one into itty-bitty pieces.